quick video of the boat running. Runs out pretty good. Feel good, 5,300. Seems to be running fine, strong, no noises. 5,400, 32 miles an hour. That's about it. That's all she gets. Pick it up